Hello and welcome. My name is John Hobby, and today we're talking about golf divot repair tools. And with any divot repair tool, you're looking for a few things, okay? For starters, you want it to open with some authority, okay? You also want your blade to be centered. You want a nice belt clip on there. And when it's closed, you also want it to be centered in there as well, of the highest construction, all right? This is the standard when it comes to divot repair tools, or pitch mark repair tools, whatever you want to call it. So let's set that aside and let's compare it to an Amazon. Sorry, it's just funny the contrast here. An $8 Amazon purchased pitch mark repair tool. Okay, so this is on the green where your ball hits. There's going to be a little pitch mark and you can repair it. So let's have a look with this lovely, did you hear that ping tuning fork action going on there? This lovely automatic divot repair tool. So if you want this, but you can't afford it or they don't allow it where you live, you might want to look at this lovely divot repair tool for $8 on Amazon. Now, some of the big picture ideas we're going to discuss here with this divot repair tool. Number one, it's nice that it's automatic opening, because when you have your putter in your hand, the last thing you want to be doing is playing with some sort of mechanism to open up your divot repair tool, okay? Pitch mark repair tool, whatever you want to call it. So that makes it really convenient. The problem is closing it. It gets a little tricky closing it, but like there's no sharp blades or anything, so it's easy to close. I mean, it's not terrible. The other thing, looking at the centering, it's not even close to being centered. What about surely there's a belt clip. Nope, no belt clip. It was just too hard to mill this off and put a little spring steel belt clip right there. So not of the highest quality. And if you put pressure on the, if you squeeze this while you try to open it, it just doesn't open very quickly or with much authority. It's kind of weak. Which, it's an $8 divot repair tool. It's fine. Just want to show you, that this is not a perfect automatic implement. So just be gentle with it. Get that nice ping, zing kind of a sound. The final thing I want to talk about is the magnetic ball marker. They have a little cutout right here, a little bevel, so you can pop this end of it out. And I was thinking, I could just stick my finger in there. And after trying for about 3 seconds, I realized, you know what? You would need the tweezer fingers of James Corden to really get in there and get this out. So I just muscle it out of there. I just push it out. It's magnetic. You can probably put any Ferris ball marker in there. So this is it. This is the $8 Amazon divot repair tool. Tell me your thoughts. Which one would you pick? And I would definitely get one of these if you're golfing. This is going in my golf bag this year. I'm super excited about it. Thank you so much for watching.